is Ariel Young. I am a visual communication graphic design major, and I am continuing my studies at Northwest State because I received the Presidential Scholarship, which helps the cost of my tuition stay at a low, and I am also a member of Phi Theta Kappa. The most rewarding part for me about coming to Northwest State is the friendships I've been able to make with everybody who has the same interest in graphic design. We are all very like-minded people. We have this special bond, and it's like a community in the graphic design program. And my favorite place to hang out on campus would be actually my classroom, because that's where a lot of my friends hang out. That's where we are able to bounce ideas off of each other, and it's like our own little community. That's our spot, is our classroom. I would describe faculty assistants as really engaging, especially Mike, because he just really is very personable and very friendly, and he's almost more like a friend than he is a teacher, because he really wants you to succeed, which I sometimes think is kind of rare in other teachers. Like, they're just here to teach you, but Mike really wants you to succeed and will do everything he can to help that. The advice I have for incoming students would be to really talk to the faculty members here, because they are here to help you. It just allows you so you're not doing it on your own, which can be very stressful and very hard to do. So it makes the process a lot smoother. Just a reminder, come check out Discover Northwest State Day, November 3rd from 9 to 1. The VCGD, we are actually having our VR station out, so you can try some virtual reality. We're going to have a gallery wall from all the different classes and the projects we've done. We're going to be interviewing different faculty members throughout the day, and also be sure to come out and check out all the other faculty members and staff and the other programs we're going to be showing.